Silent here. Finding location.
Hey, welcome back. If you're thinking about making your life at home a bit easier, or you want to automate your space to keep your floors always clean with a simple command, in this video I want to show you the M3 Max Robot Vacuum by Lefant, the sponsor of today's video, who kindly gave me the chance to try it out over the past few weeks in my home and share a review with my thoughts. And what impressed me the most about the M3 Max is that it truly packs a lot of interesting features. Lefant basically gathered the best characteristics of premium robots into this model, making it a high-end device while still trying to offer it at a more accessible price, under $600. So I want to show you its best features right away and tell you how it worked for me personally, and whether it really made the cleaning process easier. First of all, once it arrives and you open the box, you'll find everything you need to use it. Besides the charging station and the robot itself, you also get ready-to-use detergent and a set of spare parts, including the rotating mop pads and the dust bag, so you can use it for a while without worrying about running out of anything. Aesthetically, I find it very elegant, with a compact and modern design. Its gray color, in my opinion, helps it maintain a fresh look over time, making scratches or dirt less visible. An interesting detail is that the robot is fully covered by the charging station, which protects it from accidental bumps, like those from kids or our furry friends. Installation is extremely simple. Place the robot in a corner of your home and, once plugged in, all you have to do is fill the top tank. As you can see, there are two compartments, one for clean water and one for dirty water, and both are very spacious. The goal of the M3 Max is to be as self-sufficient as possible and create a complete cleaning cycle from start to finish, lasting as long as possible without requiring time-wasting interventions. My favorite part is that every movement can be controlled comfortably from your phone through the official app, which offers plenty of features and customization options. There are 8 personalized cleaning modes like zone cleaning, scheduled cycles, do not disturb mode, suction power levels, and much more. These let you use it according to your daily habits and have better control over your home. It all starts with mapping, which the robot performs at first startup thanks to its advanced 360-degree laser navigation system and multiple sensors. You can see that large black band on top, which helps it understand where it is, detect obstacles, and move around furniture without risking bumps or damaging your home, something very important. In fact, every time it approaches an obstacle, this little helper stops right away and corrects its path so it doesn't hit anything while still cleaning every spot. But now let's see it in action so you can watch how it behaves while I tell you about its key features, ones you'll most likely appreciate. In this case, I want to select sweeping and mopping across the whole map. What's surprising is that it also gives you the option to save 3 maps, so you can use it in multiple areas. Once you press the play button, the robot starts following its cleaning path. I noticed it begins with the edges of the house, then covers the rest of the area. As I mentioned, its sensors detect obstacles, and I have to say they work really well. During these days of use, it behaved like a polite little butler and didn't damage any of my furniture. It interprets the environment effectively, allowing it to clean thoroughly without missing uncovered spaces. I did notice it struggles a bit with small objects under 4 centimeters. So if you have something important on the floor, make sure not to leave it unattended. As you can see, its size is compact, 32 centimeters wide, and since it's quite thin, it can fit under covered areas like beds or wardrobes, making sure it doesn't leave those darker spots uncleaned. For example, I have a bathroom cabinet that the robot fits under with just a millimeter to spare, and it bravely goes in to do its humble job. This is because the M3 Max has very powerful suction, 20,000 pascals, which is typical of high-end products. This allows it to pick up most dirt, like pet hair, dust, and crumbs. The interesting thing is that you can choose between 5 suction power levels directly from the app. This lets you adjust it based on how dirty the floor is and helps manage the battery more effectively. You can also change this setting in real time if you want to modify it only for a specific spot. The motor is powerful enough to pick up daily dust, crumbs, and the light dirt that builds up throughout the day, even near furniture. During my tests, I noticed that it delivers consistent cleaning performance and manages to collect debris effectively, making day-to-day maintenance much easier. And speaking of cleaning, for mopping, as you noticed, it has 2 rotating mop pads that spin at 200 revolutions per minute with several useful features. The first one, which I particularly love, is the water heating system that warms the water up to 45 degrees Celsius, improving floor cleaning. Higher temperature helps dissolve dirt more effectively, like oil stains, and leaves the floor shinier. But most importantly, for a more thorough clean, it manages itself automatically. Based on the settings you choose in the app, it returns to the base to rinse the mop pads, then goes back to the exact spot where it left off and resumes cleaning with fresh water. If you're picky like I am and love a spotless home, this detail is truly invaluable. And once the cleaning cycle is finished, the robot goes back to the charging station, where two very interesting things happen. First, the base powerfully extracts the dirt from the robot, leaving it ready for the next run. This dirt is collected in the dust bag located in its compartment. It's a 3.2-liter dust bag, which with normal use can last about 2 months, literally letting you forget about maintenance for all that time. After that, the second thing, it has a cold air drying system that runs for a minimum of 2 hours, drying the mop pads to prevent mold, bacteria, and unpleasant odors. As you've seen, its system really reduces the need for manual intervention because this robot is able to be self-sufficient and automated for long periods. And when you do need to intervene, everything is simple and quick. For example, the bottom plate of the base is removable, allowing you to prevent dirt buildup, keep the system cleaner and more efficient, and reduce potential bad smells. One last thing I want to mention before my personal thoughts, probably more interesting for those with pets at home. The M3 Max has a V-shaped brush with dual combs that help reduce hair tangles. I don't have pets, so I can't give you personal feedback here, but Lefant guarantees excellent cleaning performance even in these cases. And to help even more, they made the brush very easy to remove so you can clean it thoroughly and keep the cleaning system efficient. That said, let me tell you what I think and how my experience has been with the M3 Max these past days. I have to say, having it around has been very pleasant. The fact that it can handle every phase on its own, from vacuuming to automatic washing to self-cleaning, has given me a lot of free time from these boring chores. And the convenience of managing everything from my phone, whether I'm on the couch or out of the house, being able to start it remotely and come back to a clean home, is a huge help that, in some ways, has improved my lifestyle. I work a lot on this channel creating tech content, and I believe this device brings together some of the best high-end technology from recent years, and that its price, especially during discount periods, deserves your attention. So, if you enjoyed the video, leave a free like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tech updates. See you next time.